Hello and good morning. Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. Wanted to spend a few minutes with this car and you guys today. It's our 1962 Austin Healey 3000 BN7. This is a tri-carb top shifter model, very rare. Ivory white on red leather. This is one of Kent Lambert's very favorite cars and was restored by him personally. The level of detail is fantastic. He took all of his cars very, very seriously and had them judged at concourse, and this one is no exception. Earning silver when it was last judged, he had a little problem, and it still does, with a paint blemish that I've shown in my previous video. I'll show you guys again. The consensus is with that fixed, this car could be rejudged for gold. I'll show you that here. Those little bubbles, but the level of detail that he uses when he does these restorations were impressive. Every fastener is correct. Every part is from the correct generation of car. It's just stunning. Every angle that you look at this, every piece of chrome is correct. And in the places where you and I may not look, but a judge might, it's still right. Every piece of carpet and aluminum trim and felt is correct. The only other flaw that I see on this car anywhere is the top has made, when the top is on, it rubbed a little bit right there. So that should be corrected before judging as well. Other than that, fantastic. We did look at the tack. We took the line off and hooked it back up, and it doesn't seem to be bouncing anymore. However, we didn't do any real repair to it, so that could come up again in the future too. But all the gauges are rebuilt and they're gorgeous. And please look at the receipts to this car. Look at the binder. It's very intensive, and you should be able to tell how stunning all the work was. Even the tools are correct. The hammer, the spare, the badging, and the driving. You guys saw the driving video. This car not only looks good, but it performs as well. Wipers, all polished completely out. Every little bit of trim too. So bid with confidence, guys. This is a car that you could enjoy right away, or take to concourse and earn yourself gold. It deserves it, and it would be a lot of fun activity for someone this summer to be a part of. I know the Austin community. I've met them during the course of selling some of Kent Lambert's cars, and fantastic guys and gals. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments. You can contact seller if you have a private question for us. We are happy to hold this car for 30 days for the buyer if he'd like to arrange shipping. If you need it to stay here longer, we have a full warehouse that it will be happy to stay in heated and warm until you can find the time to get here. So just contact us if you need longer than 30 days. Happy bidding, guys. Someone's gonna get a fantastic car. There's not many like this one. Thanks again.